House on the Rock. Those guys are a Nigerian music group known for their purposeful worship. You know the songs. We sing and dance to the songs like Promise Keeper, We Be Many. For the very first time in House on the Rock, receive with Jesus joy, Sound of Salem.
Tell your neighbor, raise them, raise them, raise them. Let's go. Yes, I say you answered Elijah, you answered Ezekiel. Hey. I said you answered by fire, you answered by thunder. I said, hey, oh my God, I ran through and through. Prayers is your name. I said, hey, oh my God, I leaped over the wall. Singing, I know be thy name. Hey! Singing, I know be thy name. I know be thy name. I know be thy name. The one who answers prayers. The one who answers prayers. The one who answers prayers is your name. The one who answers prayers. The now begin to give the Lord a dance of praise. He's the one that answers prayers in his house. We are not left without a witness. In the last hey, I said he answered Elijah, he answered Ezekiel. I said he answered the prophet, he answered by fire. But let's go now. Hey, but my God, but my God, but my God, but my God, prayer power, but my God, 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 demons scatter, but my God, 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 nations bow, but my God, 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 singing I know be thy name, I know be thy name. Singing I love me thy name. Singing I love me thy name. Jesus, I love me thy name. Give the Lord a dance of praise. If you are living here with an answer from God, give the Lord a dance of praise. Tell your neighbor that God is a promise keeper. Are you ready? Salem! You said? Promise keeper. Raise you are promise keeper. You say you will never fail. You are faithful to you. Hey, come on. You say? I promise keeper. You say? I promise keeper. And I promise you forever. I promise you. I'll be chasing after you. I'm not stopping. Because what? I'm a reckless lover. I'm a reckless lover. I'm a reckless lover. Oh yes, I will be. Promise keeper. Promise keeper. Promise keeper. Promise keeper. Promise keeper. Oh yeah, 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 promise keeper. Promise keeper. Promise keeper. Promise keeper. Promise keeper. Oh yeah, yeah. Promise keeper. Yeah, it's all about. Okay, look how you do. Promise keeper. Promise keeper. I say every night and day, all I see is grace. Calling up my name as I run his holy way. Every night and day, all I see is grace. He's calling up my name as I run. He's keeping his promises to me. How too many generations to me. He's keeping his promises to me. He's my promise keeper. will be many. Are you ready now? Give the Lord a shout in His place. I say la 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 la. Have we made Jesus come? Oh yeah, the nations are waiting. The people are hungry. Master is in me. So I pray my allegiance to the one who has called me. Have we made Jesus come? Oh yeah, the nations are waiting. People are hungry. Master is in me. So I pray my allegiance to the one who has called me. Have we made Jesus come? Taking over this one. Let's go. The price that you paid, very costly, and the love that you show, and the prayer that you made, I will make Jesus proud. For the price that you paid, and the love that you show, and the prayer that you made, I will make Jesus proud. Will be many that pray, will be many that sing, will be many that fast and give. We will make Jesus proud. Oh yeah, jump. Raise up. Hey, oh Jesus, I've made up my mind to follow. I'll follow you. It is written about me to follow. I must walk the works of the one who sends me. While it is there, we must walk. We must walk. Are you ready? Everyone! The nations are waiting. The people are hungry. Master is in me. So I set my hand.